It's just not gonna happen. I'm not a fool, okay? So, with that being said, liars and fuck people, stay away from me.
Ain't no thing to do my thing, it's what I did the best. I caught that crib and bought 2 chains and then I hid the rest. And it's okay to do your thing, but just don't do the most. I put my friends in that old Benz and took that to the coast. It ain't no thing to do my thing, it's what I do the best. I fill my mattress, pay my taxes, then I blew the rest. And it's okay to do your thing, but just don't do the least.
Yeah, oh, he said, rolling with you. That was good. That was good. That was good.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is Sid, and you are rolling with me, Sid. Well, it's the day after the snow. Going into work late, 2 hours late, and I'm fucking pissed off. I don't usually get mad. I don't usually get pissed off, but. Wait a minute, you guys like, comment, subscribe, share the video, click that notification bell so you know when I upload the next video. But I just want to vent today because that's just what I want to do today. I hate when people mess with my stuff. I don't know if it's just a Libra thing or if it's just me or what, but I hate when people mess with my stuff. Tell me the truth. Don't lie to me. I can respect you more if you tell me the truth. But if you gotta lie to me in my face, I can never trust a person that lied to me in my face. That lies. I can never. I can listen to what you say, but I would never ever believe you. So if lie to me. But if I'm lying to you, baby, carry on. But anywho, I'm going to work again, and I'm gonna take y'all to work with me. And I just wanted to get that out. So, you know, that's my therapy for the day, and that's just what it is. So don't judge me, and don't do all that other extra stuff. It ain't that deep. I'm just venting. You know what I'm saying? And I'm entitled to do that. You know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna do it. So if you like it, you know what I'm saying, if you can relate to it, write down in the comments if it's just me or if it's or what. Like, yeah, I'm not even going into all that day because it's not gonna mess my day up. I'm gonna have a beautiful day today. I just had to get that out because I don't like nobody that tells me, that sits right in my face and lie, and then get all mad when you catch them in a lie. Like, who does that? That's like, even a toddler don't do that. Anywho, next movement. I'm going to work, and I'm gonna do this thing over again, and I'm gonna do whatever I gotta do today, and I'm gonna bring you along with me until you tell me you don't want to see it no more. And even if you tell me you don't want to see it, you're still gonna see it because that's what I'm gonna give you until I give something different. So yeah, so you guys stay tuned to the video. I'm on my way there now. Well, first I'm gonna stop and get me some something to eat because I didn't cook anything, so I'm gonna stop and get me maybe some tacos or something, and go from there, but that's what I'm gonna do. So, oh yeah, and I'm also I've been unwrapping Cavari, so I'm like 75% done. And when this weather and all this stuff clears up, I'm gonna be 100% done. As soon I will be dropping Cavari off to get it done, get it rewrapped. So you guys stay tuned for that. And yeah, stay tuned for that. It's all good. So I'm kind of debating on Big Dooley now because I'm like, that's a lot to unwrap. I don't know. I'll figure it out. That's a big present to unwrap. So I might. That one might not be done for the Rick Ross show. That one might just have to be, you know, what it is. It is what it is. It might just have to be that. So who knows? I'll see. Or I might just let Matt do it, but depending on how long it takes him to be able to do it too. So I mean, but he specializes in it, so he should be able to do it. So. But I'll figure it out. I'll figure it out. But yeah, but I'll be back with you guys in a second. It's probably gonna be like 40 minutes for me. A split second. So grab a snack and come on. Well, I made it to work, guys. And the time that I come into work, it's lunchtime for me all the time. You want a bite? Yep. Got a little barbecue sauce with a little fry in it. Got a little sandwich with a tomato. Look at that. I eat good. What y'all eat for lunch today? I got a little baked bean. Look. Look at that heat coming from you. See it? Look at that heat. That's good eating. But I'm gonna eat this. So y'all grab a snack and come on back, because I did. Look. Well, I'm partially unloaded. I got unloaded in over here. I'm in Chesapeake. Got a perishable load. So I'm partially unloaded. I gotta go to the next store on here, next store, and be fully unloaded. And we'll go from there. But over in this area, they got a lot of snow over here in the Chesapeake, Virginia Beach area. I'm just putting this address into where I gotta go. So do that there? How you do that there? Ain't nothing but a little work, y'all. A little work. A little work ain't never hurt nobody. Ooh, got a ramen place over there. Ain't nothing open. The snow done closed everything down. Ain't nothing over here open, but the store I be delivering to, they gonna be open. They not closing for nothing. They gonna get that money. They gonna get that money. The parking lot empty, and today is what? Thursday? The snow done shut everything down. But it's alright, get some of these people off the road so I can do my work. The less people on the road, the more efficiently I can do my job. Hallelujah. Yep. I said what I said. Yep, sure did. This hat comes in handy, boy. This hat comes in handy. It keeps me warm. Since I cut my hair, I ain't got a lot of, you know what I'm saying, warmth down there. This hat got me good. You know what I mean? Woo. Oh, damn. Bless me. Bless me, y'all. I got up at this truck. Teamwork. Yep. Well, I've made but I ain't gonna hold you guys. I'm gonna go and do what I gotta do and call it a day. You know what I mean? Y'all wanna go with me? You can go if you want to go. Do you wanna go? If you wanna go, just let me know. I'll take you to the stove. Go! Let's go to the stove. Yeah, drop this load off, yo. Go pick up the trailer. Yeah. It's right here in the dough. Right here in the dough. Gloves on, yeah. I'm going to check the back of the trailer. I'll be back. Everything was straight. I ain't take y'all with me today, but yeah, I'm gone. Look how dark it be behind some of these stores. If I can turn well, I can't turn the lights off. It be dark back here.
Your seatbelt is unbuckled.
We gotta back up to damn doors in the dark.
Your seatbelt is unbuckled.
Take your time, you can get it done. See, when I come to stores like this and it's dark out there like that in the back, and it's, you know, at this store, they got and if you look in the woods back there, it's like people with tents they stay back there or whatever. But that don't bother me. That don't bother me. I'm just letting you know that, you know, certain places like people stay outside in tents and stuff. So, but what I'm saying is when you come to certain stores and it's dark, I mean most stores, if it's dark, you don't really want to, you know, be out there just waiting at a door. So I call the store first so they can open the door up, and then I'll go back there just to be on the safe side, because you know, you got to be safe. It was certain stores like, you know, some places you can get robbed in behind the stores or whatever. So I just call just to be on the safe side. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna call and I'm gonna see them open the door, then I go back there. If not, I just sit here and wait. Yeah. Well, we got that unloaded. Now I'm gonna go get some water. Yeah, a little water. Because everybody done bought the water up from the store, so we gotta go replenish the water. So we gotta go get water. And I'm gonna go do that now. Yeah. Come on, get on the damn. It's not hard. Especially truck drivers. Truck drivers are hard-headed as crap. They do what they want to do when they want to do it. They're like prima donnas. But ones. Not the smart ones, but the little common sense goes a long way. But, you know, I'll sit here because I get paid. My load is ready. I just gotta get through here to get to it. But, you know, gotta do what you gotta do, right? No fool, no fun. So apparently we have a problem. I'm at the gate and it's two lanes, one here and one there. Both, while I'm still sitting here, is because both of the trucks at the front of the gate, they broke down. And there's only one way in, one way out. So now we have to back out of the line because those two trucks are holding the gate up. You can't get around them. Things we gotta do in trucking. You wanna be a trucker? Do you wanna be a trucker? Can you handle being a trucker? Because now we gotta back all the way out. You gotta back the last truck out. I'm almost at the end though. It's one truck behind me. So once he backs out, I can back out and then go on in. And I already got my load information. I just gotta go in there. I'm gonna go in that way and get my load and then come on out. But I gotta wait for that guy back there. That guy back there to back up. Once he backs up, I can back out. So I don't know what he waiting for. I don't, you know, but I'm gonna sit here and wait. But yeah, that's the issue. That's the problem for the day. All right, we're gonna fix it though. It's fixed.
I don't know why that truck at the end right there, he was supposed to stay back there, but he moving up, so.
air to run air to the trailer, all you gotta do is push that in and it'll run air back to the trailer because there's no air in that trailer. So push that, I'm letting it air up and then I can slide the tandem. So now that I don't hear no more air, I can pull it out. And then I can get out and I can go and see if the trailer has the air back there. Let's go see. Be careful because it's slippery back here. Let's see. There we go. There we go. We in business. Now I'm able to slide the tandems forward. And that's what I'm going to do. To slide the tandem forward, you just push this one, leave that one out, push that one in, put it in reverse. You want the tandems to go forward and do it. You might have to pull forward to unlock it. There we go. Yep. And to engage the pins, push that back in. Pull forward so it can go into the hole. You gotta let it air up first again, then pop it out. Give it a second, then pull forward. And it locked in. Now we're cooking with hot grease. About time. About time. Now I can go back to the yard and see what else is going on in the night. So I got my trailer. Now I'm gonna go check out. And what I'm gonna do today, I'm gonna check out to this video. That's the end of this video. I hope you guys liked. I hope you guys learned something. And I hope you guys stay safe out here in these streets because these streets ain't nothing to play with. If you ain't gotta be out in the streets, don't be out there because it's not to be played with. It's only for the professionals. Yeah, professionals. Professional. Anywho, oh shit. Anywho, like I said, I will see you guys in the next video. I thank you guys for watching. I thank you guys for subscribing. I thank you guys for tuning in and commenting and interacting with little old me. I appreciate it. And until next time, stay safe. You got it. See what I'm saying?
It took a minute because then I had to wait.
Oh, okay.